Welcome to the Infinity Process Portal Workflow Execution Walkthrough. In this video, we will continue to work the loan request process from the previous video and explore the chat and notes functionality. So we're logged in as sales agent Kelly Wibble, and we want to find the loan request for Captain Dave. So let's click the most recent link. And here we see the loan request for Captain Dave, and it is in the approved loan request activity. I'll click the activity name to activate it. The data entered at the previous activity is listed here in the manual activity view for me to review. I'm not sure about approving this loan, so I'm going to start a chat with another user, Karina Eichner, to get her opinion on the loan approval. So let's click the chat icon. So I've launched the chat view, and next I need to invite participants to the chat session. As mentioned before, I want to invite Karina Eichner. So I'll start typing in the participant box. And a lookup will be performed against all IPP user accounts. Here, Karina Eichner's return. So just select the user to add her to the participants list. I can add additional users to the chat in the same manner. Select you. If you want to remove a participant from your chat, just click the X next to that participant. So let's switch to a second browser and log in as Karina Eichner. Okay, so we've logged in. Here you see the alerts icon is ringing, and the number next to the bell indicates that one message is waiting. So let's click the alerts to read the alert message. As expected, this is the alert sent to advise Karina Eichner that she has been invited to join a chat. The message contains the sending user's name and the message, and how long ago the notification was sent. Notice that the alerts message is a link. When I click the message, the chat view opens and we can exchange messages. Okay, so let's respond to the message. Just type in the text area. There are several controls that you can use for formatting the text. There's bold, italic, underline. There's also options to add a numbered or unnumbered list. You can change the font type. So let's select the font, select the text. You can change the size. You can change the color and the background color if you like. And you can also add a smiley. Okay, so let's send that. Switch back over to Kelly Wibble. So chat can be used to send not only messages but links to files. In this case, we want to send the application over for review. We'll let Karina know what's happening. Switch back to the loan request activity. Here I want to open the process details. Drill down to process documents. I'm going to pin this view so that now I can just drag this document over to the chat area, drop it, and that link will be sent to Karina Eichner. So let's switch over. Here we see the link that we just sent. So Karina can now just click this link. It opens the document. up in our viewer. You can review it and respond to it. Okay. Okay, so I've got the answer I was looking for, so I'm going to unpin the view. And click this red icon, this red X to close the chat. The chat will be saved as a process attachment. So we'll close this, and we're back at the manual activity. The notes functionality. The notes quick access icon allows you to add notes and view any notes that are already added to the process. In this case, there are no notes, so let's add one. Okay, just simply type in the notes area. And click Save. Once a note is saved, it becomes a permanent artifact of the process. It cannot be edited or deleted. The note is added to the notes list at the top of the page. For each note, an author is shown, the create date and time is shown, and there's a notes preview, which is the first part of the actual note itself. If you mouse over this, you'll get additional information. Much of it is the same as what is listed in the table. The additional information here is the scope. So this actually tells you which process it belongs to. So let's close this view. You can now see the icon for the notes quick access has changed. It is now it's like it's filled in. If I click the icon, you'll see our note appears here. I can click that once again to come back to the note, where I can add additional notes. So access to notes is not limited to the activity view. Notes may be viewed and added in work lists, process search results, activity search results, and in process details, which we'll explore in detail in the next video. This concludes video 2 in the Workflow Execution Walkthrough series. We will continue processing this loan request and explore the process details view and the correspondence functionality in the next video.